Welcome!
Is she back?
Welcome to My Favourite Things, the series where I share with you my top food favourite things in the hopes that you'll try them, like them and enjoy them too. In today's episode, my favourite thing is Kicap Manis. Sometimes it's spelt or, and also sometimes, and it's thought to be derived from the Cantonese word for sauce. Kicap Manis is essentially a sweetened soy sauce, popular in a few countries, especially Malaysia and Indonesia. Now, the reason it's my favourite thing is because I like to use it in place of soy sauce in a number of dishes, and I love the flavour, I love the consistency, and I love the sweetness that it adds to dishes. So I have here 3 different brands that I tend to use, but this one is most popular in Indonesia. I mentioned the consistency earlier, and the sauce is definitely a lot thicker than regular soy sauce. And in this clip here, I show you the difference in the consistency across these 3 brands, ranging from the thinnest to the thickest. And many of you have probably had Kicap Manis and not known. In certain brands of instant noodles, you'll find, in addition to the small spice sachet, you'll also get another sachet, and that is actually Kicap Manis. Kicap Manis is one of the essential ingredients in nasi goreng or mee goreng, which are 2 popular dishes across Indonesia. If you can get your hands on some, do use it to elevate your rice dishes, noodle dishes, and even vegetable stir fries. It is so good. In a separate video, I'll be showing you how to make the sauce from scratch. It's super simple. So that's it for this episode of My Favourite Things. Do try the sauce and let me know what you think. You'll love it. Until next time, merci, imela, asante sana. Bye. In nasi goreng or mee goreng, which are the Kicap Manis, is a sweetened Kicap Manis is essentially a sweetened soy sauce. Kicap Manis is essentially a sweetened soy sauce used in a few countries, but until next time, imela asante sana. I forgot my outro. What is it again?